calculate the magnitude of the acceleration of B produced by this resultant force. So you got your resultant force where? Look at this diagram. You got the resultant force. I am drawing again. You do not need to draw again. You just you labeled here resultant, right, with double arrow.
Yes, sir. Yes,
With
sir.
double arrow. So in according to our Newton's second law, we know that where the direction of resultant force, there will be the direction of acceleration,
Acceleration.
isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
the acceleration will also work here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now with they are asking you, look here what they are asking you again. Calculate the magnitude of the acceleration of B produced by this resultant force. So if you want to find acceleration, then what is the formula? F equals ma, right?
Yes, sir.
So you write that formula, F equals ma, then A will be what? F by
F by M.
M. Very good. So F, you know. What is the value of F? 6.6.
6.6.
6.6. Then what is the value of mass?
Mass কত, sir?
Mass is given at the beginning, you see. It's written there. 750 gram, right? Yes. Farhan,
Hello.
your
Yes, sir.
mass is how much? Mass is
750 gram.
750 gram, but your units all are given in SI unit, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what you have
Yes,
to
sir.
do, you have to convert that 750 gram to what? 750 gram you have to
E
convert
mass.
to
কি বলি? kg.
kg. Then if 750 gram, then if you convert,
75.
so 6.7, no, 6.6 divided by 750
7.6.
divided by 1000. What will be the value?
Oh, sorry, 1000.
Yeah. If you convert from gram to kg, you have to divide by 1000.
0.75, sir.
0.75. Yes, good. Then what is the answer coming? Okay.
1 second, sir. The answer is 8.8.
8.8.
8
And what is the unit? Meter per second square. It's already there.
meter per second
So
square.
right here 8.8 meter per second square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now last part, you see, we have determine the angle between the direction of the acceleration and the direction of the 7.5 Newton force.
Yes, sir.
So your 7.9 Newton was upwards, right?
Yes, sir.
And your resultant force is the diagonal. Now with your protector, you check what is the angle you got. Check now.
কোথায়?
You drew one diagram, right?
হ্যাঁ.
So in that diagram, you got the diagonal of the parallelogram. That is your resultant force, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And the upward force, that is 7.5 Newton, right?
Yes, sir.
So in between these two, diagonal and the 7.5 Newton, you check what is the angle.
Angle is near about 39. Sorry,
39,
39.
so big.
No, sir.
Your angle should be 19 degree. How much?
19 degree.
19.
আমি কোনটা মাপতেছি এটা তো বুঝতেছি না।
You got one here. Yeah. This one you got, right? Farhan? And this one you got,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So the upwards one,
Yes,
it
sir.
is 7.5. Then you got one
Yeah.
diagonal here, right? Here you
Yes,
got
sir.
one diagonal, isn't it? This way you got one
Yes,
diagonal.
sir.
So in between
Yeah,
these
yeah.
two, the angle you got. Check it. How much it is? If your
Sir,
drawing
আমারটা
is,
স্যার ওইটাই আসে আসলে 39 near about 39 38 আসে
it should be 19. You note down that it should be 19 degree. How much?
19.
19. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It should be 19. 19 degrees. So you are getting 19 degrees. It is correct. There is a range
Yes, sir.
for scale diagram. There is always range. The range is from 17 to 21 degrees. So if your range is outside this, then it will not be
Yes.
accepted. The
Okay.
exact answer is 19, but range is allowed.
Okay.
17 to 21. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So done.
Yes, sir.
This one is done. Now we are stopping our class. As you wanted that 9E we will do in next class. Okay.
Okay, sir. তাহলে next class
on,
chapter
on,
শেষ
on your worksheet, the printed one,
জি
we
স্যার
will do 9E. But before that,
9
please do all the things already we did on your worksheet.
yes sir.
Okay,
Sure,
take
sir.
all these notes over there. That will be very rich resource for you till the S. Okay,
Okay, sir.
exam inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
sir. Bye bye, sir. God bless you. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Good night.
Good night.